Okay. So passenger side, you can look, there's the air cleaner right there. If you look down in through this hole, you can see right there, that black square sticking out is the low beams headlight for this side. I gotta get on a stool so I can reach it. Stick my hand down in here, take it. Luckily for me, driver's side's easier. Okay, so you push the bottom towards the fender. And it's out now. And then comes the hard part, because they didn't give you enough wire to pull that out very far to disconnect it. So you gotta open these tabs on each side up, and if I wasn't trying to hold a camera while I was doing this, it would probably be easier to do. You tell me. Let's see. It's right there. Go get a small screwdriver. Okay, I was right. It is easier to do it without a cell phone in your hand. I just took a screwdriver and get both hands down in there. So one hand's holding the base, one hand's holding the light. And then you just kind of work the little clips loose. Now, stick it back in that hole. Right down there. That means I need to push it off to the side, because of the way the tabs line up to get it in there. And then pull the base over, and that side is done. There we go. Now let's go do the easy side. Now over here, I don't know what yours has, but I got a tray for the auxiliary battery here that I still haven't gone and got the battery to put in it. And then there's the windshield washer reservoir. As you can see, right there is our headlight bulb. So we reach in between the windshield washer and the front fender and grab, there we are. Trying to use the camera lens here as a viewfinder so I can see what I'm doing. And you just twist it, and it seems the bottom always turns to the passenger side to take it off, and then of course it goes the other way to put it back on. So this one I can just pull it out right here. And something you need to watch when you're doing this, if you look in the hole, you see there's the two little wires that connect it, and then there's that tab that comes up in between. And on the bottom of your plug, see it's got that gap in it for that tab too. So you got to make sure that you have that tab on the right side, otherwise you'll run into that hard side up here and you won't be able to do it. You know, I was watching a video on doing this, and the guy was taking off the grill, taking out the headlight assembly, and then unplugging the headlight and taking it off. Well, that's not my way to do things. I got other things to do besides disassemble a truck and put it back together. So I'm going to put that headlight back in there, that bulb, and then we'll put this back together and be done. And there we have it all back together again. So let's see if it works. Because the low beam, the top one on the driver's side, was what was out. Now I got it on both sides. Everything works. They say you should replace them both at once. I figure that's a good idea because one of them's been on as long as the other one has. So do them both at once and be done with it.